Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today friends, I will be showing you how to make green garlic, mint and coriander chutney. For the ingredients I have spring garlic, mint, green chili, ginger, salt, green coriander, pomegranate powder and cumin powder. I also have lemon juice. Put all the ingredients inside the hand blender. The chutney is now ready. It looks amazing and very tasty. You can eat this with a different range of foods like roti and rice. With that said, thanks for watching and make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos.